install of the SatDive module to WellSafe Guardian marks a significant milestone for our customer WellSafe Solutions, one which we were delighted to support them in. Malin Abram carried out the complete transport and install of the SatDive module from fabrication, build supports to in place in the WellSafe Guardian's deck. Following completion of the build phase, Malin Abram carried out a weighing of the module using their own specialist load cells. The module was then lifted clear of build supports using SPMTs and loaded out by roll-on to a cargo barge at Burnt Island. The module and barge were then towed to the port of Rosyth, where they were met by a shear leg floating crane. Here a test lift was conducted ahead of the main installation lift. The shear leg and barge were then mobilised to meet the Guardian at a deep water anchorage off Methil. Where the module was lifted from the barge and installed in place onto a new home on the WellSafe Guardian's deck. Malin Abram provided a full turnkey service for this scope, carrying out the engineering, project management, on-site supervision and equipment supply. The team here overcame a number of significant engineering and operational challenges to safely execute and deliver the install. The WellSafe SatDive module install project is a clear demonstration of Malin Abram's engineering and operational capabilities and is a project we're proud to have delivered for our client.